This video will show how our project works. This is the login page wherein you can log in your account using your email or password. Then under here is the click here to register. Will be directed to the register page wherein the user can register his or her account. And using admin account, you can log into the system and see all the features that an admin has. First is the dashboard wherein you can see the number of items, unserviceable items, system users, category, and total groups. Here the users bottom, the admin can manage all the users, view the users, for example adding some users. Here we have some form validation. For example, we do not have to input in the text boxes. Click save changes. Then some form validation will be shown. Example, we have to insert data, members, so we have entered data and save changes. Yan. A new user will be inputted in the table. If we have to edit this, just click this blue button and we'll have to edit and show the information back, and this red button is to delete. Sample, we have to delete this, and a message there will show, do you really want to remove, confirm, and the data selected will be deleted. So next is for the groups. This groups is identified as staff or members. Same with the user, the admin can update and delete the data. Third is the office. Here we have the office listed in the supply office. We have the administration office up to the security office. Here we can update sample, this one, save changes, and then row will be updated, security office. Next is category. Category is all about for the item category, which is furniture, land, or buildings. The admin also can update and delete this data. And here the main function, the equipment management, where all the items in the supply office will be managed. Here we have a total of 4,384 data inputted by the client. So here we have to filter some remarks, sample, then the data table will act and For filter remarks, we have Elmer Pistijo, and the data searched by Elmer Pistijo will be shown in the table. For this part, for issuing items, we have issued items, wherein these items is be issued to the faculty teachers in the Minsus Minsu Minsu Calapan City, and same as select remarks, we have Elmer Pistijo, and we have its office, IT lab. If there is no, like this one, I'm selecting accounting office, no data available because Cell Elmer Pistijo has nothing nothing item in the accounting office. So sample for the multiple updates we have here. If we want to um, issue this item to another person, all of this item or one item only, just check using the checkbox, and using control, selecting control button in the keyboard, you may select or unselect this. And for example, we will issue this item to another person, sell armor pistol, and we will transfer it to Epi Studio. This has property number 00014, a place, and there's a pop-up message successfully updated multiple products. So one affected, there is an affected row. So this Elmer Pistol has only 2 items, and then if we have search to Epic Studio, we will see the item here, 0004 Pampa. So I'm using this print button here. We will print this data. Here is the format for printing the property par or property acknowledgement receipt. This format is given by the client, um, issued by the name of the supply officer, which is Kevin Maniaul, and received by Epic Studio, which is the item holder. So for this unserviceable items, this data table shows the status from being active, and this is unserviceable. So we will print this bar for unserviceable items is different from the bar from issued items. So next is view as MR. So this view as MR is somehow same with the par issuing items. So we select the remarks, this, and print this data, and this is the sample format given by the client. So next is for the office supplies. We have Table 1 shows office supplies, and also we can filter some office here. The accounting office, and or from the supply office we can add here also. And also there is form validation for each this sample. So this is the item name, price, description, unit, and etc. So the supply office will be issuing items to every office, and each designated office is having an item and sample. If the stocks here is 5 and we want to issue this item to the accounting office members, if this quantity is greater than the requested items, it will be pop up an error. Sample, select office, accounting office. The accounting office, which has the item here, only the coupon bond. Sample, we have 5 there, and we input 6. Date now. Sample, save changes. There. A message show inputted quantity exceeds the current quantity, which is 5. So if try it again using 2, 3, date here, faculty, save changes. And there, the 5 quantity here will be subtracted by 3 and will be shown under the another table. So for the statistics, we have the charts, here using bar graph, tables, and line graph. So here we have the profile, which is the profile including from username up to department. This is where you can view the profile of your account. And of course the settings where you can update your information. That's all for the admin account. Sample member account. Here we have Elmer. The difference between the admin and the member is the member has limited features in the system. Only he can view his items um, which are issued in his or her name. For example, this one, Elmer. The items that shows in here is only for Elmer. And same as here, the category. You can view the category but he cannot update it. Okay, same the profile and settings. And so that's all for our system. Thank you.